All right, first step is we're gonna make a bacon weave. I'm gonna do this one-handed, record and try to get this everything as nice and neat as possible. You get these two strips, one laying over the other one. Get this strip, roll it over, get another strip, lay it right beside, roll this one back. Now we roll this one over and lay this one parallel to the other one. Just keep on going back and forth, weaving your bacon until you get a nice little bacon weave. I'm trying to go for a size about, I don't know, half the size of this bacon strip. So another couple slices would be all right. Here's a final end product. I'm gonna go about 4 wide. I'm gonna trim these ends off. And then this should be about the right size for a burger patty once it shrinks down and everything. All right, here's the end product. We got the bacon weave tied in with some toothpicks. I don't usually use toothpicks because the bacon weave usually uses a whole slab of bacon and we make it 6 wide, whatever. But for this one only being 4, I'm gonna put the toothpicks in there just to hold it while it gets started. Once it starts getting a little crispy, yeah, I'll take out the toothpicks. I'm not gonna put this over direct fire because if you put this over the fire, toothpicks are gonna burn. So we'll put this off to the side, let it cook slowly, let it do its thing, and then take these toothpicks off. Cut your bacon strips into inch and a half pieces. We're gonna put this in the frying pan and then fry them up. All right, while we got the bacon frying, we're gonna chop this onion up into pieces. It's about half an onion. You can use more or less, whatever you like better. I'm gonna use about, I don't know, half, and chop it up into little cubes. Once you got the bacon rendered down, got it going, looking like a little crisp, time to add the onion. Cook the onion for about 5 minutes till they're soft and kind of brown. Alright, now that the onions are starting to brown, it's time to add the brown sugar. And just stir it in. Okay, we're gonna reduce the heat down to a simmer, and we're gonna add in 1 cup of beef broth. We're gonna add this 1 cup at a time. We're gonna do a total of 4 cups, but we're gonna do 1 cup of it at a time. We're just gonna let it simmer till it all simmers down, and we'll just keep adding. Once you see the water bubbling at the end, it'll be time to add another cup. So it'll be a little bit. Forming your patties, we found that using a ice cream scooper yields the best results when making these patties. They make about 6 patties per pound. So yeah, it works out pretty good. These are, of course, Wagyu. We're not gonna season them with anything but salt. Yeah, Wagyu is a little different. I don't want to mask the flavor of it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Right now we're just gonna store these in the fridge until we get the rest of the ingredients done. Now it's time to add this next cup of beef broth. See how it's starting to look kind of thick? Alright, that's when you add the next cup of beef broth. Already passed through our 2nd cup. Here's our 3rd cup of beef broth. Alright, time to add our last cup of beef broth. Alright, the bacon is ready to be transferred over to the blender. We're gonna put all this mixture inside there. Be careful because it's gonna be hot. We're gonna try to do this slowly. I got the napkins down here trying to keep from spilling, but we'll just take it nice and easy. Okay, to this we're gonna add some paprika, some pepper. The ingredients will be in the description. Okay. Then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Since I'm doing single-handed, I'm just gonna guesstimate, but we'll just add some honey. We want that sweetness. Okay. Okay, now that we got the blender all set up, we're gonna blend this until it's kind of chunky. We're not gonna go full smooth, so let's just see what we get. I think that's it right there. See the little chunks here in the bottom? So yeah, that's what we'll use. All right, we're gonna transfer this to a container, and then we're gonna put this in the fridge. And the fridge is gonna harden up, so once you're gonna use it, bring it out, warm it up in the microwave a little bit, and then spread it on whatever you're gonna eat. Got the grill rolling. Had about a 300 temp on the gauge right here on this side. Right now it's only showing 200, but yeah, it was about 300. Right here in this area, I'm guessing about 350. So that's where I have the bacon set. Right now we're using a red oak as a firewood. All right, we got the bacon in here, nice and crispy. Gonna sit here for a little while. The heat, I'm gonna let it taper off. Got my fancy little setup here. Blackstone grill ain't got nothing on this. I got a propane tank and a stand from one of them boiling pots. Got this grill. It's gonna heat it up, get it nice and toasty. Got the star of the show, Wagyu ground beef. It's gonna be kind of hard to cook this because cook and record at the same time, but I'm gonna do my best. We got the salt and some cheese. So we'll see how this goes. I forgot to tell you, how do you know it's hot? I don't got an infrared thermometer, one of them wireless thermometers or nothing. So a good way to check, get some water. If it sizzles as soon as it hits, you're good to go. So right now we're gonna start cooking these patties. All right, you got the patties right here. They're sizzling away. What you're looking for is the brown is gonna start coming up the edges. Once you see it about halfway, it's time to flip it. And don't worry about it sticking to the grill. You're gonna have crumbly pieces that stay stuck to the grill. It's okay. What you do is when you flip it over, you're gonna add the cheese. The cheese, everything's gonna come off at the same time. You're gonna get the good bits, crispy bits, everything's coming off. The good thing about this is once you're done, it's easy to clean up because all this grease. Look at this, all deliciousness right there. Now it's time to flip. See, you got stuck pieces, don't worry about it. Flip it. See that crust? What you're looking for. Okay, now you get your other patty, get it, flip it. See, we got all this nice little crust right here. Okay, now it's time to add the cheese. Okay, got one slice, got 2 slices. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this cheese run until it melts. Okay, it's not gonna take very long. Once it melts, it's time to take these patties off the grill. Real fast, you can't let these cook for a while. No, you gotta stay on it. It's gonna be hot, fast, and look at that cheese. Gooey. Okay. See, we still got this cheese stuff left. Everything comes off. This is like the best part. Cheese is all crispy, crunchy. There's a little piece of meat left over. Get this, set this aside, put it inside the grill. Inside our pan with all the rest of the goodness. Okay. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but we'll get this off. That'll take 5 years off your life, but it'll be worth it. Okay. Now, time to toast the buns. Everybody knows how to toast buns. Just put them on your grill, toast them real quick, and then start plating. These buns, what I'm gonna do is spread this grease back over here. Make sure you got your grill nice and coated again, and you get your buns. Put them whatever side you want, up or down. What I do is put both sides, spread that grease over, and then I'll flip it to the other side and put some more grease. Okay, the buns should be toasted by now. Okay, there you go. Toasted, toasted. Make sure you get some more grease. Spread it onto your grill so it makes a nice style homemade burger. Okay, now you put your buns back on. You hear that nice little sizzle? Because this is Wagyu, you don't want to waste anything off of this. Everything's got to go. Let it sit a little while and then put it back inside the pan. Take it inside and put it all together. In a bowl, just get some bananas. cut them up into small pieces and just mash them with your fork. They don't have to be perfect. We're not trying to make baby food. We're just trying to make something that resembles banana paste, I guess. Just a couple bananas. All right, assemble the burger. What we got is a bun on the bottom. We got a Wagyu patty in the middle. Got the bacon weave on top. Okay, what we're gonna put on here next is the bacon marmalade. I forgot to tell y'all, we gotta add 2 tablespoons of butter at the end of it. I forgot, totally, my mistake. What we're gonna do is we'll get this bacon marmalade, spread it on top of the bacon weave. Don't be afraid to make a mess, because remember, this is an Elvis burger. We're trying to make it messy. Because Elvis, who knows? Everybody says he was a king of overdoing it. So yeah, we're gonna overdo this burger. Okay, got some bacon marmalade. Okay, next we're gonna put some banana mash, banana pudding, banana paste, whatever you want to call it, banana puree. I've been calling it puree. It's more like a paste, I guess. I'm not too sure, because Elvis loved to have bananas in his burgers, from what I understood. I'm not too sure if that's real, but hey, whatever. Okay. What's next? What do we got next? Okay, we got peanut butter next. And we didn't get just any peanut butter. We got Jif, honey, creamy peanut butter. So I got peanut butter to put on the bun. I got it with the wrong side of the spoon, because you know how I do. You spread it on your bun. Make sure you get a nice, thick, juicy layer of peanut butter. Because remember, we're overdoing this. Okay, that's that. Put that to the side. Put that on your burger. Bam. Yeah, it's messy. Yeah, it's overdone. But this is what would have been worthy to the king. Got bun, Hawaiian, banana, puree, paste, bacon marmalade, bacon weave, Wagyu beef patties, sharp cheddar cheese, and followed by the bun. Give me a sec while I make a mess. Try to enjoy this. Alright, here we go. We got the Elvis Wagyu burger. I got this idea from a restaurant called Scuttlebutts. They carry a Elvis burger. It's got the bun, sourdough bun. It's got a banana slices, bacon, the bacon marmalade, the patties with cheddar cheese, and another bun. I said, well, this burger is good, not worthy of Elvis though. So what I did to up this is I added sweet Hawaiian bun, couldn't find King's Hawaiian, made a banana puree, paste, whatever you want to call it. I got some bacon marmalade, made that. Recipe's gonna be in the description. Then we got the bacon weave. That's just simple bacon. We weaved it together, but it's thick cut. We got Wagyu beef patties. Bought some Wagyu at H.E.B. $7.99 a pound. And then we got sharp cheddar cheese. I put doubles. And then we got the following bun at the very bottom. This burger is huge. I'm gonna make a mess, but the king lived outrageous. He had an extravagant life. So hey, this is an extravagant burger. So let's make a mess. Damn, this burger is delicious. The Wagyu, whoa. The bananas, whoa. It's just the flavor pops. Yeah, you're making a mess. It's a messy burger. What do you expect? It's not something you go and take out to a date and you expect it to come home clean. No, this is a burger to end all burgers. So I got all the ingredients. I'm gonna write them in the description. I got all the links that I'm gonna send so you can make this bacon marmalade. Everything else, just hit like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, let me finish this. The burger was rich. The flavor of the Wagyu was different. It's unlike any other meat you can buy. I know it's not perfect Wagyu. It's Mishima Reserve. You can buy it at your local H.E.B. It has a flavor of butteriness. I don't know. It's different. You'll notice when you bite it. The other ingredients, the bananas, the bacon weave,
the peanut butter, man, all those flavors tied in together. Cause that bitterness, the saltiness on the patty with the sharpness of the cheddar with no sweet, and then the sweetness of the bananas and the peanut butter, it just all came together to balance out. Would I cook it again? Sure. All the time? No, because it took me roughly about 4 hours to get everything done. The first thing I had to get cooked was the bacon marmalade. Took a while. Then I had to prepare the patties. Then I had to cook the bacon weave, because the bacon weave takes a little longer because it's a thick piece of bacon. Then cook the burgers. Then I gotta cook the buns. So it's gonna be a process. Don't think you're gonna cook this quick before lunch. No, this is gonna be something you're gonna devote a few hours of your day to. But with that being said, the results are well worth the cook time, the wait, I guess to say. A Wagyu burger on its own, ooh, do that. You'll enjoy it. It'll be something different. I don't know. Try it out. See if you like it. Like I say in my descriptions, no recipe is perfect. That's why it's up to us to cook it. If we like it, it's good. If we don't like it, we change it. That's how it goes. Recipes aren't written in stone; they're written on paper. Always scratch it out, put in something different. So, whatever you do, don't stop cooking. This is Jacob signing out. All right, peace.